A writ of prohibition is an order issued by the Supreme Court or a High Court to option A government officer prohibiting him from taking a particular action. B. The particular legislative assembly to pass a law on prohibition. C. The lower court prohibiting the continuation of proceeding in a case. D. The government prohibiting it from following an unconstitutional policy. Option is C. The lower court prohibiting the constitutional of proceedings in a case. UPSC 2024 under which of the following articles of the Constitution of India has the Supreme Court of India placed the right to privacy? A. Article 15, B. Article 16, C. Article 19, D. Article 21. The answer is D. Article 21. UPSC 2021 right to privacy is protected under which article of the Constitution of India? A. Article 15, B. Article 19, C. Article 29, D. Article 21. The answer is D. Article 21. UPSC 2019 which article of the Constitution of India safeguards one's right to marry the person one's choice? A. Article 21, B. Article 19, C. Article 25, D. Article 29. The answer is UPSC 2004 which article of the Constitution of India says no child below the age of 14 years shall be employed to work in any factory or mine or engage in other hazardous employment? A. Article 24, B. Article 45, C. Article 330, D. Article 368. The answer is A. Article 24. UPSC 2002 in the Indian Constitution, the right to equality is granted by 5 articles. They are A. Article 14 to Article 18, B. Article 15 to Article 19, C. Article 13 to Article 17, D. Article 16 to Article 20. The right answer is A. Article 40 to Article 18.